Today, I'm going to show you the 5 key steps you need to go from intern to full-time employee. Before anything else, if your goal is to get hired after your internship, you need to communicate that from the very start. Not every company hires interns, and many have strict requirements or a formal selection process. Be upfront about your goal. Let them know that you want to earn a full-time position and ask what specific expectations or milestones you'll need to meet to make that happen. Otherwise, you might set yourself up for disappointment before you even begin. Also, gather as many details as possible about the role you'd be moving into. The clearer you are on what success looks like, the easier it will be to hit that target and turn your internship into a job offer. Step 1. Take your internship seriously. If you don't work hard or show that you add real value, you might get cut before it even ends. Treat your internship like a full-time job. Show up early, be reliable, and act like one of the top performers from day one. Be proactive and ask, how can I help? Then, once you understand the system, handle your daily tasks without being told. Find out who the best people in the organization are, watch how they operate, learn from them, and follow their lead. The more you act like a high performer, the more likely you are to become one, and the more likely they'll want to keep you. High performers usually have the most say within an organization and are the people who can get you hired. Impressing them is absolutely critical. Step number 2. Build relationships. People don't just hire skills. They hire people they know and trust. So take time to build genuine relationships. Get to know your coworkers. Go to team events. Ask your manager or teammates for a quick coffee or a lunch meetup. Ask meaningful questions about work and about them personally. Build genuine connections based on respect and shared values. When people know, like, and trust you, they'll want to keep you. Even if they can't hire you immediately, they might recommend you for another role, write you a reference letter, or connect you with someone who can. Everyone knows someone, and the more people you build positive relationships with, the more doors and opportunities that will open for you down the road. Step number 3. Add value and solve problems. If you want to really stand out, solve problems. If you see something inefficient, broken, or just not working as well as it could, take the initiative to create a solution. The bigger the problem, the more valuable your solution to it can become. Think about how you can make things easier, faster, or more cost-effective for the team. Focus on solutions that are simple and affordable and easy to implement. You can always present your idea, get feedback, and refine it as you learn more. Sometimes the best thing you can do is to help an overwhelmed teammate. Stepping in when others are struggling shows character, teamwork, leadership, and managers love that. Step 4. Make it clear you want the job. In life, never assume people know what you want. Tell them clearly what you want, why you want it, and what you're willing to do to earn it. Make your intentions known before your internship starts. Then at the halfway point, schedule a quick chat with your manager and say something like, "Hey manager, I've enjoyed working here because of insert your reason. I've learned X and accomplished Y. I'd love to continue in a full-time role. What can we do to make that happen?" Work with them to create an action plan to meet any requirements they outline. That simple conversation does 2 powerful things. It puts you on their radar and it gives you a clear plan to follow for the rest of your internship. Then, in the final 2 to 3 weeks, schedule another meeting. Show how you followed the plan, contributed to the team, and met or even exceeded every expectation. That's your moment to confidently ask for the job. Step 5. End strong and follow up. When your internship ends, leave a great final impression. Finish every project strong, tie up loose ends, and make sure your responsibilities are taken care of. Thank your team, buy coffee, bring in a small gift, or show appreciation in a thoughtful way. If you weren't able to secure a job offer right away, send a thank you email within 24 hours of your last day. Even if they don't have an open position for you right now, stay in touch because you never know when a new opportunity might open up. If you need help writing your thank you note, here's an example that can be easily personalized. I wanted to take a moment to thank you and the entire team for an amazing internship experience. Over the past X weeks or months, I've learned so much from specific skill set or project to another example that shows your growth or contribution to the company. I really appreciated how you trusted me with meaningful work and gave me opportunities to contribute to the team's success. This experience confirmed that I'm passionate about blank industry or field, and it inspired me to keep growing my skills in this area. I especially enjoyed mention something personal or specific, for example, collaborating with the marketing team on the summer campaign, or seeing how your leadership created such a positive culture. Thank you again for your mentorship and support. I would love to stay in touch and hope to continue working with you or the company in the future. Warm regards, your full name, LinkedIn profile, and email signature if appropriate. Keep connecting through coffee chats and build genuine friendships. And if it feels appropriate, drop by the office whenever you're in the area to say hello. If you're trying to figure out your life path, we offer free 30-minute life coaching calls to help you get the clarity and direction you need to succeed. Also, check out our book, How to Hack College, and visit atlasclass.com for fantastic resources to help you on your journey. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more personal development and success tips.